Hello friend, today I have a new creation in my heart to share. I want to reveal to you this. I made a 12-volt battery with just PVC pipe and a clothes hanger. Please watch the whole video to see how I did it. First, I will cut the 21mm diameter PVC pipe into two pieces of 100mm lengths. Next, I used a piece of aluminum foil and cut it into small sheets 100mm wide. I used a plastic tube to wrap aluminum foil around it once, then marked it with my hand. Use scissors to cut the marked part to create small pieces of aluminum. I have cut 4 small pieces of aluminum foil. Now I will wrap it around the plastic tube. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Next, use specialized glue to attach 1 meter of aluminum foil to the plastic pipe first. Note, use your hand to smooth the paper so that it is wrinkle-free and flat. Next, I used special glue to fix the remaining edge of the foil. In just a short time, I have created 4 pretty silver foil-wrapped plastic tubes. Next, I will use an aluminum coat hanger. Use our hands to straighten that hanger. I will use a plastic tube wrapped in aluminum foil to measure and mark the aluminum bar. I used pliers to cut 4 pieces of aluminum bars a little longer than the plastic pipe. I used 4 plastic bottle caps and glued them to one end of the plastic tube. Note, you should use specialized glue to attach them most firmly. Note, you should use specialized glue to attach them most firmly. Then I will put the cut aluminum rod into the hole I just made and use special glue to fix it. Note, keep the aluminum rod in the center of the plastic tube. After a while, I have installed 4 tubes. Next step, I used a clear plastic tube to make the battery case. I made 4 small holes on its lid. Next, I used specialized glue to firmly attach the 4 plastic tubes to the plastic box lid. Note, please attach the plastic tube's tip to the hole you just created on the box lid. Next step, I will use copper wire and connect the foil-wrapped plastic tubes together. Note, I will use a soldering iron to connect them in a staggered direction. I will use a red wire to connect to one of the 4 plastic tubes to get power to the battery. I made a small hole in the plastic box lid and threaded the red wire through it. Next, I will use the blue wire to connect the 4 aluminum bars together. I will use a soldering iron and tin wire to connect them as firmly as possible. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. I will use another wire to connect to one of the 4 aluminum bars on the plastic box. These 2 wires are the output wires of the new battery. Now I will prepare the water for this new battery. First, I use 2 spoons of salt. Next, I put some cleaning solution in. Note, this bleach has a very high acid content, so you only need to take 10 milliliters. Finally, fill the plastic tube with water and stir well. When it is completely melted, I will put the cap on the tube. I will use a meter to check the voltage in this new battery. There is still a very small amount of voltage on the display. Next, I will connect a power source to the battery to charge it. After 30 minutes of charging, I will take it out to measure the voltage. I still use the battery meter. Great, the battery voltage is over 12 volts. I will take this battery to test with a 12-volt light bulb. Note, the bulb is DC current, so you need to connect the correct polarity of the bulb to the battery. Great, the light bulb is on. We have success with this newly created battery. How do you think you and I have created such a useful battery together? If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.